battle in India is concerned. In fact, we've got some breaking news as far as the Prime Minister is concerned. The Prime Minister is raining fire on the TMC over Sandesh Khali issue. Prime Minister has said that daughters of Bengal will give a befitting reply to the TMC. Now, this is the Prime Minister who has slammed the TMC also on the teachers' recruitment scam. The Prime Minister has issued yet another guarantee in the state of Bengal. The Prime Minister says that corrupt will be behind bars after June 4.
SC/ST परिवार की बहनों को तो टीएमसी के लोग इंसान ही नहीं समझते। अपने शाहजहां को बचाने के लिए टीएमसी के लोग संदेश खाली की बहनों को ही दोषी ठहरा रहे हैं, उनके चरित्र पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं। जैसी भाषा ये लोग उनके लिए बोल रहे हैं, इसका जवाब बंगाल की हर बेटी अपने वोट से टीएमसी को तबाह कर देगी। अब इसमें कह रहा हूं, मैं ये भ्रष्टाचारियों का जीना जेल के बाहर रहने नहीं दूंगा। आपके लूटने वालों पर चोट होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए। मोदी आज आपको एक और गारंटी दे रहा है। 4 जून के बाद नई सरकार बनते ही ऐसे हर भ्रष्टाचारी उनकी जिंदगी जेलों में ही बीतेगी।
My colleague Shreya joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Shreya, this is now the Prime Minister reiterating the two-pronged attack that he's continued against TMC the entire election season. On one hand, it's the corruption that he's talking about as far as the teachers' recruitment scam is concerned. And on the other hand, it's the women's safety issue as far as the Sandesh Khali is concerned. Give us more details as to what else did the Prime Minister say and what's the attack going to be like as far as the elections are concerned.
You know, of course, Sandesh Khali has been a constant focus of the Prime Minister as you know, the election in West Bengal is concerned. Now, today, addressing a rally in Purulia, we see Prime Minister, you know, firing rain in the TMC party and also at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. He says that to safeguard criminals like Sheikh Shah Jahan, the TMC party is deciding the value of this women, of this mother and sister of Sandesh Khali. Says that they're questioning the character of these mothers and sister because they want to protect criminals like Sheikh Shah Jahan, and he says that a befitting reply would be given to the TMC party by the women and daughters of Sandesh Khali. This is what Prime Minister says in regards to Sandesh Khali. Before this also we have seen two kind of version coming from Sandesh Khali. On one hand, there is a group of women who says that you know, rape have taken place and they were tortured by Sheikh Shah Jahan and his men, and on the other hand there are women who says that a team of Mahila Commission came from Delhi, made them sign on a blank paper and they were later used to you know, file fake rape charges. So there has been a counter allegation and allegation coming both from Sandesh Khali itself. Now, talking about the teacher recruitment scam, we see Prime Minister Modi very clearly says that I give you another guarantee after June the 4th when the new government is formed. I will not allow any Bhrashtachari to stay out of jail. This is the very clear message, you know, Prime Minister Modi gives. He also says very interestingly that Bengal is the land where Saraswati Puja is conducted. You will know that Saraswati Puja is the puja of Ma Saraswati, who is the goddess of education. Says in that land, recruitment scam, this kind of scam goes on. So, of course, we see Prime
Absolutely,
Minister...
Shreya, like you rightly pointed out there, the BJP's strategy in Bengal is very clear, attacking the TMC on two fronts. One, women's safety issue and the other, corruption. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details as the battle for Bengal rages on. Shifting our focus now to yet another